Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to recover deleted photos and videos from WhatsApp without backup. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC or laptop and search for Recover Go i2 Lab. After that, a bunch of results will be displayed. Here, click on this website at the top and click on the download button. Once the downloading is completed, run the setup and install it. You can see that it has been installed successfully. Now, click on the Start button. Then inside this menu, select Recover WhatsApp Data button and connect your mobile device. After connecting it, follow the on-screen instructions and enable the debugging feature. If your device isn't appearing inside it, select this embed and follow it step by step. Once your device appears, click on Start and it will prompt you to back up your WhatsApp chats. After backing them up, click on this green button and the process will get started. During this whole process, you may be prompted to perform specific actions. Simply follow them and the recovery window will be displayed. Here, select the chats you would like to recover and then click on this Recover button to confirm it. So that's basically how you can recover deleted photos and videos from WhatsApp without backup. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.